Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's go. I just got a banger order. $49.82 for 5.9 miles. Two drop-offs. Walmart Spark. Let's get it. And this is my second order of the day. The first one came in at 22 bucks. Now this order right here finna put me on the map because look, if you didn't know, I set a daily goal for myself of $100 every single day. And with just two orders, I'm more than 3/4 of the way there. So welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dash and Trader. Here on the Dash and Trader channel, we help you maximize with gig apps, specifically like DoorDash, Uber, and Walmart Spark. Lately, it's been a lot of Walmart Spark lately, but don't let that fool you because things are constantly changing here in this gig economy. Just last year, I was making 90% of all my money with DoorDash, and now I've pivoted because of this current DoorDash climate. So now I'm making most of my money on Walmart Spark. We are going to be working over in the Glen Carbon area today. Let's see how quickly we can get to this $100 because look, I'm gonna let you know right now, it don't normally go like this. I don't normally get this close to $100 within the first two orders. But look, I like it. I love it. It's nice, but this ain't how things always go. But you want to take advantage when they do go like this. We got a little Walmart Spark incentive that just popped off. It say if you do 18 trips, you get like 50 bucks. And then if you do 21, you get an additional 30 or something like that. Either way it go, I'm about to try my best to get this incentive knocked out because I don't know how long I'm going to be doing gig work for. But for this short amount of time that I am doing it, I'm about to give it my all, knock out all these incentives and really maximize it. I'm going to make sure that for every dollar that I earn, I'm thinking about how can I make that money work for me in the future. Right now, my plan is to focus more on day trading. So I'm going to be setting up a day trading account, doing some simulated trades on the simulated trading account, and really getting the feel for being back in the market. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing right now to maximize for your future. Let's head on over to Walmart. Whenever I'm out trying to make some money, it's always somebody calling my phone, bothering the hell out of me when I'm out trying to make my money. Look, leave me the hell alone. Don't you got shit to do? Look at here. If I'm out making money, don't fucking bother me. All right? Do not bother me when I'm out making my money. That's the one thing I cannot stand. Let me know if you can't stand people bothering you when you are making your money too, because I don't play that shit. We got our Walmart Spark order in the car. Boom, got the whole back filled up. That's the great thing about having this SUV with the third row seats that let down. Now I got extra space to fit these groceries in here. $49, 5 miles. Let's get it done. We are approaching Walmart Spark drop-off number 1, and the next one is right down the street. Can you even believe it? Let's go. That drop-off was nice and easy. Looks like we had a little bit of age verification on that one. Customer ordered some cough syrup. So it asked to verify their age, which I simply did by entering their name and their birth date and then collecting a signature, and we out. This next drop-off is exactly 2 minutes away, so we got lucky, guys. We stand in the same neighborhood. And Walmart Spark drop-off number 2. Got our next order, guys. $38.19, 8.9 miles. This order right here finna put me over $100 for the day. Walmart Spark for the win. Now, I did get a Sam's Club order before this. $8 for 2 miles, and I did take it. But when I pulled up the Sam's Club, they didn't have it ready. And I waited for about 5 minutes, but I was like, you know what? I'm about to go ahead and unassign this because I'm about to get something way better. And I wouldn't have thought it was going to be an order that was $30 better. But hey, that's the beauty of being an independent contractor. I can pick and choose. I actually feel better about waiting on this one because it's paying so much more. It's making me hit my daily goal. And now I don't got to do no more work for the rest of the day. Now I probably will, but that's the beauty of picking and choosing the jobs you want to do, because if that $8 one would have came right out, I would have done it. But seeing that it took them a little bit of extra time to bring their order out, probably because all the parking spots was filled over at Sam's Club, hey, it's all right. But what that means for me is I now have an opportunity to make a decision on what's going to be best for me in this hour. And what was best for me was unassigning that Sam's Club order, pulling over here to Walmart and getting this fire batch. $38, 8.9 miles, 2 drop-offs. So let's go ahead and get it done. So this is my third order of the day right here, and I've already hit my daily goal. So this one is 38 or 39 bucks, something like that. The one I did before that was 49 bucks. And then the one before that was 22. So let's see. Yeah, I think we definitely at 100. Yeah, we had 100 and something. But that's awesome that I was able to hit my daily goal in such a short amount of time, because now I got the whole day ahead of me. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head on over, meet up with my sister, help her with some social media things she got going on as far as getting her, YouTube channel set up and getting her TikTok channel going and everything. And we're gonna see where this day takes us. I'm finna start doing more of a vlog style on this channel so you guys can get like a little sneak peek of, you know, what I do in my day-to-day and what I got going on any given day. And just to give more content for you guys and give you guys a closer look at what we got going on over here. So we got a 9-minute drive down the road to our first delivery, and then the second one is about 5 minutes away from that. So let's go ahead and get these 2 deliveries done so we can secure our daily profits for today, and then we can talk a little bit more after that. The drop off number 1, and this all we got, and that is all for drop off number 2. All in all, not too bad. I only got those 2 orders done for the day, but it's all good though, because as you can see here, for the week we sitting at 200. No, that's not right. For the week, we sitting at $746, it looks like. Now we at 720 on confirmed weekly earnings, and for the unconfirmed tips, we looking at $25. And honestly, I had a couple things to do on Thursday, a couple things to do on Friday, and only got the 2 orders today for Saturday, so it actually could have been a lot better. As you can see right here, we did $227 on Monday, including that incentive, so that was really good. Tuesday we did $164. Wednesday, $130.80. Not as much as confirmed tips on Wednesday. That's because the trips that we did on Monday, we got some of the confirmed tips on Tuesday and some of them on Wednesday, and then a couple more on Thursday, and then on Friday I did a couple trips, but it wasn't that much. I think I only did like 1 or 2 trips on Friday, and then same on Saturday today. And I still got 1 more day to go. Probably won't do a $240 day tomorrow, but as long as I hit my $100 daily goal, I'll be okay with that. But the main thing is I'm making more and more every week with the gig apps. Trying to hit that $1,000 week challenge with Walmart Spark, but not quite yet. But even if I don't hit it, I still have other ways of making that income, so I don't have to have all my eggs in one basket and one day my phone don't work, or all the internet connections down, or Walmart Spark deactivated me, or all the gig apps decide to just cut off at one time. Whew, excuse me. It won't matter, you know, because I have put things in place to make sure that I can still make money no matter what. So let me know how your week went. In the comments below, let me know how much you had so far for the week and what your goal is for the week. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.